To block high-risk scam calls only on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Next, tap the gray on option next to caller ID and spam protection until the switch on screen to turn it on. Next, tap caller ID and spam protection. Tap the gray on option next to block spam and scam calls until the switch on screen to turn it on. And then select only block high-risk scam calls. By doing this, now your phone will use Haya to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who are not in your contact. So those calls that are suspected as high-risk scam calls will be blocked automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.